Hello friends, I'm Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, today we are going to see English workshop of the poem and that is Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know, written by Harry Behan. The answers of these questions are prepared by Vilas Borse sir. So thank you sir. Before watching this video, as usual, I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see chit chat questions. 1. When do you receive gift? Answer. I receive gifts on the occasion of my birthday. Next question. Do you like to give gifts? Answer. Yes, I like to give gifts to my best friends. Next question. From whom do you get gifts? Answer. I get gifts from my parents, close relatives, and my best friends. Next question. What is the best gift that you have ever received? Answer. The best gift that I have ever received is a nice wristwatch or bicycle. My uncle gifted it to me on my birthday. Next question. Why is it special for you? Answer. It is special for me because it reminds me the happy moments of my life. It is very useful as well. Let's see warming up activities. 1. What gifts do trees give to mankind? Answer. Trees give flowers, fruits, medicines, fresh air and happiness to mankind. Next question 2a. Name two parts of a tree that begin with B. Answer. Birds, bark. F. Flowers, fruits. T. Twig, trunk. Next question B. In most countries in the northern hemisphere, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Try to guess what is the season in the months given below. 1. March, April, May. Answer. Spring. 2. June, July, August. Answer. Summer. 3. September, October, November. Answer. Autumn or fall. 4. December, January, February. Answer. Winter. Next question. An artist paints pictures using colors. A poet or writer can also paint pictures in your mind. Imagination by using descriptive phrases. For example, write down 4 phrases describing anything beautiful in nature. Answer. Dusty trail. 2. Jewel blue stream. Silver white moon. Fluttering butterflies. Leaf carpeted path. Ghost grey skies. Yawing wind. Baked black rock. And hunchback moon. Let's see margin questions. 1. How do trees serve birds and animals? Answer. Trees give or provide shade to the sleepy cows and provide a place for the birds to gather and to build their nest as well among their branches. Next question. What do trees offer human beings? Answer. Trees offer flowers, fruits, wood, and give joy in spring to human beings. Next. Let's see English workshop of this poem. 1. Pick from the poem words that rhyme with following words. A. Fun, burn, begun, sun. B. No. K-N-O-W, no, grow. C. Now, cow, bow. D. Sight, night, light. E. Fly, sky, lullaby. 2. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. Answer. A. And in the spring, new birds of green. B. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. C. And gather birds among their boughs. D. To touch the beams of morning sun. E. And when a moon floats on the sky. Next question. The poet refers to trees as the kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others. Answer. 1. They do not harm, they simply grow. 2. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. 3. And gather birds among their boughs. 4. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of. Next question. Find words that describe the following. Answer. Sleepy cows. 2. New birds. 3. Morning sun. 4. Drowsy lullaby. 5. Kind trees. Next question. Pick out the lines that mean the following. 1. Trees provide shelter for animals. Answer. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. 2. Trees provide food for all. Answer. They give us fruit in leaves above. 3. Trees are most lovable. Answer. And in the spring, new birds of green. 4. Kids love to listen to song from trees. Answer. They hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. 5. Trees live a simple life. Answer. They do not harm, they simply grow. Next question. Think and write in your own words. 1. What living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. Answer. 1. Cat, mouse. 2. Mongoose, snake. 3. Cat, dogs. 4. Tiger, deer. 5. Eagle, sparrow. Next question. Why are trees called harmless? Answer. Trees are called harmless because they provide many things but demand very little or nothing from us. They are always useful to animals and birds. They provide us with fruits, shelter, and much more. They provide a place for the birds to build their nests among their branches. Let's see appreciation of the poem. 1. The title of the poem is Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know. Next point. The poem is written by Harry Benn. Next point. The poem has 8 stanzas. Each stanza has 2 lines. Note, actually this poem has only 4 stanzas, 2 lines each, but in the textbook each stanza contains 2 lines as couplet. Next point, the first and second line in each stanza contains rhyming pair. It means they are rhyming couplets. Next point, rhyme scheme is A B B. It means a rhyming couplet. Next point, theme of the poem. The trees are kind and generous to all animals and birds. They supply their needs. They are the source of energy and joy. They receive the early morning sun rays as well as the light of the sunset. Next point, the figures of speech. 1. Trees are the kindest things I know. Alliteration is there. 2. They do not harm, they simply grow. Repetition. 3. And spread a shade for sleepy cows. Alliteration. 4. And gather birds among their bough. Alliteration. Next point, special features. This is a simple poem about trees. The images of sleeping cows, birds among their boughs. In the spring, new birds of green, beams of morning sun, create an extremely pleasant, simple and peaceful landscape. Next point, my favorite lines. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow. And last point is that why I like the poem. I like this poem for the simple and peaceful atmosphere. I liked the pictorial quality in it. Trees are kind and generous to living beings. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you a good day. Thank you very much.